Good morning, dear children. Here I am, Arundhati ma'am, teaching you science in your class. So we are doing chapter number 5, the plants in the surrounding. And last two classes we have studied about the parts of the plant, the root system and the shoot system, their functions, their properties, their classification, everything. Today we have already started the leaf, but I am going to start it once more. So all of you turn to page number 45. Page number 45, the leaf. First we will know what is leaf. All of us know what is leaf. The main green parts of the plant where the food of the plant is manufactured, that is called the leaf. The leaf is the thin, flat and usually green part that grows from the stem. Leaves of different plants are of different shapes and sizes. So what is the leaf? The leaf is a thin, flat and usually green part of the plant that grows from the stem. It is of different shape. For mango trees have different, the guavas have different leaves, the banana have different leaves and so on. So now turn to the next page, page number 46. Here we will know about the parts of the leaf. The flat, broad part of the leaf is the leaf blade. Many thin tubes called veins can be seen on the surface of the leaf blade. The main vein that runs along the center of the leaf is the midrib. The leaf blade is fixed to the stem by a stalk. So all these are descriptions of the parts of the leaf which is described. Now look at this figure over here in the same page by the side. Parts of the leaf. If you look at this figure, you will understand it very clearly. First is the main thin, broad, flat surface of the leaf. The main thin, broad and flat surface of the leaf, it is called the leaf blade. There are plenty of thin tubes running, side tubes as well as main tubes, thin tubes running from the inside the leaves. Those are called the veins. The main one which is going through the center is called the midrib and the veins which are running through the sides are called the side veins or the veins and the main rib. The main rib is from the middle and the veins goes by the side. From the undersurface of the leaf, in the undersurface of the leaf there are millions of small holes called the stomata through which the leaf takes in the oxygen for respiration. Also, the leaf is attached to the stem by a thin stalk. It is called the stalk of the leaf. So, these are the parts of the leaf. So, if a part of a leaf is asked for you to describe, you have to write the whole thing as well as you have to draw the parts of the leaf, draw and label it properly to understand. Now, the lower surface of the leaf has tiny openings called the stomata. Air enters the leaf and leaves the plants through the stomata.